Alrighty, YouTubers, that was fun. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one at a low cost. Take advantage of Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it almost at the home stretch now for all you kiddies. Go back to school, college starting. So, and pretty soon we're going to have the good old Santa Claus visiting. And it's a new year. Just can't believe it's already 2020. Just about. It's crazy how fast this year went by. There we go. And now we have here today, guys. Oh boy. Just nervous about this one. Let's see what it is. Ooh. Alright, not nervous. Pretty excited now. And like I said, all you gotta do is check them out. Link is gonna be down below. All you gotta do is add it to your cart and get it shipped to you. And this is really fast. They do the shipping like one day. So LED source, portable LED projector, high brightness, mini ultra thin. Oh yeah, there's the box. See the side. Outdoor, indoor. Same thing on the sides. Alright, so we'll get down to business. I'll do a gaming setup. I got the PS4 ready to go. And we got SummerSlam tonight. So this will be a good one to watch all your sporting events. TV shows on Hulu, Netflix. Pluto, I guess. Oh, sorry about that. Sounded like a duck. Quack, quack. Alright, we got this, go that, go that. Here we go. Alright, cheerio. Let's take a look at this portable LED projector. I think it's LED source it's coming from. Boom. Get out of there. We don't need to see that. We got the standard HDMI cables. Can't believe you're calling these standard now. So crazy. Oh yeah. Nice size remote. Basic one. Seen on your Fire Stick remotes. Come with batteries? No. So you guys might want to stock up on your AAA batteries. That sucks. Power cord. Standard. Oh boy, we got one of those things, tripod. And we got some audio standard cables. Oh boy, got the manual. Just in case, read about it for a sec. See what this thing can handle. Definitely curious though now. But this would be great in your dorm. Bachelor gift, birthday gift, housewarming gift, all that good stuff. DracoLight. Oh, that's what's by. Alright, it's by DracoLight. Alright. Uh-oh. Don't need these, so in case you guys do. Let's put them aside for now. What do we have here, guys? Some powerful stuff. You guys want to add it to your wish list, because good old Santa Claus will be checking it. There we go. Station moving. We know that how to do. Keystone correction. That's in here. Oh, this one right here. The keystone. Focusing ring. The lens. Keypad. SD card slot. VGA port. So they got that on the side. Infrared receiver, that's in the middle of the projector, right there. There's the sides again. One HDMI port, VGA for the computer, audio jack, video. I think it's video. Air outlet. There's the sides, and then let's flip this sucker around. Here we go. That's where the screw goes, or the tripod is right here, or you can always add a different one. I'll try to leave some links for those different tripods that I've seen that are pretty good for these. With a speaker right there, I knew that. Yep. I got adjusting knob, that's what it's called. And power cooling socket, air inlet, loudspeaker. Oh, this is a loudspeaker. Ooh, looks like a snowflake. Alright, let's see what we got here. Power, that. You got a standard remote. Could flip it. Let's see, trying to figure out really fast before I set it up. I think this is like the 60,000 runtime you can have it for. You can do synchronize mobile phone screen with the cord. Where's all the good stuff? I might have to pull it up. Hold on one sec. This is the 3600 Lumens to 180 display. Is 50,000 hours lamp life. Whoa. Alright, that's pretty good. Let's see what else. 1080p. Contrast ratio is 2000 by 1. Item dimensions 8 by 7 by 6 by 3. VGA, USB, HDMI. It's under 80 bucks, so definitely a really good deal right now they got going on. Just weighs about 2 pounds. And it pretty much has everything you need. And we're about to test it up. A lot of good reviews on Amazon for it, so thank you guys at DracoLight, I do believe. Yep, Draco. So, simple screw in for the stand. Take this right here, right there. Just screw it right in there. I'm not sure if I should mount these or just leave them on the ground or on the table like I have it set up. I just don't know. But tripod stands always work good. So here it is, pretty simple. And there's a lens cap. Make sure you take that off. The first like few I did, I totally forgot these were on them. Somehow. There we go. There's a lens. Looks nice. Alright, definitely excited to test this out. Alright, be back in a jiffy. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it powered on. Right now I'm just going to set it up on this table I have. I got my 4K converter. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's one of those things. I got the mini PS1 and the PS4. Gonna hook it up right about now. Simple plug and play. Let me put you guys down so I could do this with 2 hands. Be a lot easier. There we go. There's that. Flip. Come on. There we go. Nice and easy. Okay, she's in. She's connected. And we're gonna go like this. I'll leave the light on for a few seconds. I'll go complete darkness and pull up the PS4. Power is on. It's not too loud. Whoa, definitely. Dang, that's pretty bright. Gotta adjust it. Hopefully it picks up my PS4. There we go. Like I said, all I gotta do is adjust the that little knob they had at the bottom. And that looks pretty good so far though. Clear. I can read it. It says movie, music, photo, and next or text. go. Where's the remote? Pull up the settings. We got all the settings right here. Usually by 9. There it is, one of those types. And now I'm gonna turn on the PS4, and I'm gonna shut the light once I get that wrong. So those are the you can have like the 4 HDMI outputs. Hook it up to that. Got that rolling. Hopefully it picks it up right away. Okay, PS4 is turning on. I might have to switch the input. Here we go. HDMI. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll be right back. I'm going to shut the light off. Alright, here we go. Yeah, that's clear. It's still dark, or still light outside. Pretty cool. Alright, YouTubers, I'll leave the links down below. Check them out. Have a good weekend. See ya.